So here's a quick look at the rotary engine I purchased while I was stationed in Japan, directly from the Mazda dealership in my town. I purchased this and they assumed it was a core exchange, I guess, because they brought it, instead of the big cardboard box you expect to see, they had it in a plastic clamshell, and then I had to hoist half of that into a Honda Fit and get it back home. The information card they give you with the short block is also kind of neat. So here it says that basically inspection date November 2023, November 1st, and then they give you some, basically some checks on the engine. So like the high hydraulic pressure, maybe like oil pressure during testing, and the low pressure during testing must be like idle and full RPM. Your compression figures, front to rear, and these are in kilogram force per centimeter squared. The engine serial number, other details. Oh, and then a big note here saying that engine oil is not inside the engine. So don't start this up until you fill it up. But yeah, it's cool because they have all these QR codes that they wouldn't have had back when these engines were first designed. At least I don't think. They give you oil pan, oil level sensor, the coolant temp sensor, I believe. Brand new oil injectors. Red is rear, blue is front, I guess. And then, interestingly, the flywheel looks like maybe this is from the break-in during testing that it gets all this markings. It feels completely smooth, but it does look like it's been used at that point. Curious what that's all about. You can see the tape bulges in and out. I move this. Neat. Yeah, so anyways, I'm going to be selling this just because I was able to do the rebuild for my own car with the engine currently inside the car. So it takes away my need to have one of these sitting on hand. Cool piece of machinery though.